English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 3.
By the sea. On the coast. On an island. Off the coast. In the north. In the mountains. In the forest. In the city. On the river.
North, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. The opposite side of the world. Around the world.
Hi, I'm Joe, and this is Patsy.
Hi, I'm Raj. Where are you from?
We're from the UK.
You're English.
I'm English, and Patsy's Scottish.
Where are you from, Raj?
I'm from Durban in South Africa.
That's on the coast, isn't it?
Yes, the East Coast, right by the Indian Ocean.
Nice.
What town are you from, Patsy?
I'm from the Isle of Skye. It's a little island off the west coast of Scotland.
And you, Joe?
I'm from Manchester. It's in the northwest of England.
I've heard of it. Football, right? Oh, here's Carla. Carla, meet Joe and Patsy.
Hi, Carla. Where are you from?
I'm from Tasmania. It's a beautiful island off the south coast of Australia.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
What country are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
What nationality are you?
I'm Brazilian.
What town do you live in?
I live in Santos.
Where exactly is your town?
It's in the southeast of Brazil.
Do you live on the coast?
Yes, I live on the east coast.
What's the capital city of your country?
The capital city of Brazil is Brasilia.
Right next to. Halfway between. Directly opposite. In front of. Just to the left of. Diagonally opposite.
It's right next to the hospital. It's in front of the forest. It's diagonally opposite the castle. It's on the coast. It's halfway between the two stores.
End of Lesson 3.